next you're going to see something, there's obviously a lot of infrastructure here, so we're going more towards some of the traditional type of automation systems. But what we are seeing here, what I really like is, so we're in a bulk tote stack environment, but we all know that in a multi-stack environment, there's digging. So this really gives us the ability in a single move to get to that tote we want. So as you see it come down, you're going to see it come down and pick the stack through the tote that it needs. It's going to deposit that one tote, and then it's going to put the rest of the stack back in place. So it really helps with that issue. Okay, so next you're going to see the solution, or a solution. It may be an expensive solution, I don't know the pricing, but of those floor stack containers that we all just love to receive from overseas. So this solution is going to take not only stack boxes. If we have some toppled boxes over, it doesn't require manual intervention. It's going to help us quickly offload. Now, the one thing I haven't seen is on the other end some palletization or sortation capabilities. So there may be something to pair with it. This vendor may provide something, but really what they're showcasing today is the extraction of those floor stack cases from the container or trailer. Okay, so this has to be one of my most favorite that we have found at the show today. So you'll look at it and you'll say maybe not the fanciest, but it's definitely an efficiency saver. So a lot of carts of this nature are going to be much smaller. So what we want to see when we do automation in robotics or anything to help our efficiency, we want to make sure that we're increasing the throughput that our workers can get as well. So you can see the amount of product. Not only in this configuration, we can add another shelf to this as well. So it really gives us the ability to make that picker extremely efficient, and then this is autonomous as well, so it can go to those processing areas without a worker. It also has some advanced capabilities to help with work efficiency. So this is a prototype. It's called the Snap Cart by Snap Fulfill, and definitely one to keep your eyes on. You'll want to see where this takes you, because if you are a high pick, loose piece pick environment, this is definitely something that could help. Okay, so next we're going to look at an alternative. So this cart, though another shelf can be added, the amount of capacity that this cart can yield is much smaller. You may also note, though I didn't point it out, that the lights aren't on the side. So all interaction actually handles over here around the corner, so a worker is walking from side to front during processing. So again, steps matter. But to me, I think the thing that I would be most careful about is the amount of pick efficiency gain, given the quantity of product that can hold. So this may be a better fit for something that has smaller product than something that requires a larger size for overpack. Okay, so next we're at Boston Dynamics, and it's definitely one to watch. So you will see this is their mobile robot. The speed does have some impact with stability, so we're gonna have to watch that over time, but it's the first robotic technology that enables case pick as close to a human. LogistiView is a company that we work with often. but how does it get actually used in the marketplace? So LogistiView from the surface may look like an enablement platform for devices, which it somewhat is. It gives us the ability to tap into technologies such as AR, which is behind me. You can see some of the video here. This is going to help our pick efficiency. It's going to help our pick accuracy, just as importantly, without all that hard infrastructure in place. But it gives us more than that. So it really enables us to tap into processes and technologies that are currently in place and overlay and upgrade those to future enable them to align with what our business is doing and where our workforce needs to go. You may have processes that go into a black hole, such as where you can't capture data. It leaves your WMS and you really have no additional information. That hole can be plugged. Really at a detail level, at a low touch level, at a high touch level. It really gives us the ability to get into areas that you may be limited with technology today.